Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe for this creamy, dreamy Tuscan chicken that makes an easy, gluten-free, low-carb, keto-friendly dinner that is wonderful to make. And I've written a blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe and full step-by-step instructions for how to make this dreamy recipe, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chicken recipe a try, and what you think of it. So let me chat you through how to make this wonderful, easy recipe. Start by seasoning your chicken. I've seasoned mine with plenty of paprika and salt. You can add pepper, any other seasoning you'd like to taste. I've got 6 lovely skinless, boneless chicken thighs here. You could use breasts instead if you want to. I just love the juicy tenderness of using chicken thighs. So I am going to heat up my frying pan, pop in plenty of coconut oil and get these cooking. So the chicken thighs are in the stove top. I've popped them all in. You might need to cook them in batches. I've managed to get mine all in one layer and cook them for 3 to 5 minutes aside, just depending on the size of the chicken thighs, until they are golden and cooked through on both sides. And then we'll move them off to a plate. So I flipped the chicken thighs over, they've cooked on one side and now they're bubbling away and cooking on the other. And while they are cooking and finishing off, I'm going to see to my vegetables. So I've roughly chopped up a whole lot of onion and garlic. I like using red onion. You can use any onion you like. Just depends on how oniony and garlicky. We love loads of garlic. You can see it all kind of dissolves in and makes a lovely creamy garlic sauce. So I've got those all nice and chopped up. And my chicken is steaming and it is golden on both sides. You don't have to cook it through just yet because it's going to cook a little bit more later, but just make sure it's nice and golden before we see to our lovely sauce. So now that the chicken's moved off to a plate, we've popped the onion and garlic into the frying pan to absorb all the lovely flavors. You might need to add more coconut oil, but as you can see, there's plenty of all those lovely chicken juices, and just toss it all around and get it all nice and golden. I'm including sun-dried tomatoes in my recipe, so I've got out a few of those to chop up into little pieces, just like that, to add in next once the onion is softened. Oh, look at those lovely sizzling onion and garlic. I love the color in it. It's just kind of perfect. And so it's at this point that we'll add in the tomato, just like that. I've got the lovely sun-dried tomatoes added in for the color and the lovely flavor pop. And next add on a few handfuls of spinach just for some greens. And I find it just helps to balance the richness in this lovely recipe. So just let the greens wilt down and give everything a good toss through. And then pour over a half a cup of cream, your cream of choice, a half a cup of stock, or you could do a half a cup of water, and a half a cup of Parmesan, and let that all simmer away a little bit and those flavors develop. Once you're happy with that and it's bubbling away nicely, add the chicken thighs back in. Just like that, and just cook it until the chicken is completely cooked through and it's heated through, and you might want to flip it over every few minutes and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes just until it's done to your liking. And then you can serve the creamy Tuscan chicken with your choice of cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, rice or pasta, some vegetables. It is up to you. I'll leave all those ideas in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely creamy Tuscan chicken a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.